Hi there, my name is Trevor Frey and I'm the current treasurer for your Bay East Foundation. On behalf of the foundation, I'd like to welcome you to join us on August 22nd at TPC Stonebrae for our inaugural golf tournament. For those of you that don't know, the foundation gives out roughly $20,000 a year in scholarships to the youth of our community, and it's all in your name. 100% of proceeds from this golf tournament will actually go back into that scholarship fund. We haven't had an event in roughly 24 months, so it's a great opportunity to network, stretch your legs, and get back into the swing of things. If you're not a golfer, you're more than welcome to come out just for dinner, and there's tons of room for sponsorship opportunities. Please join us again August 22nd at TPC Stonebrae on behalf of the foundation, and thank you again for everything that you do.